In this video, we are going to work with Canva. We will be working with a poster which looks like this. You see, it is a very simple poster in which a gradient background is being used, some graphics, and at last a content. So let's start. To create a poster, go to canva.com. Simply search for an event poster and hit enter. You will see many pre-built templates, but we are going to create a poster from scratch. Click on create a blank event poster. The workspace will open. On the left side, you can see tools like templates, elements, text, etc. On the right side, a blank poster is created. Now let's discuss some of the tools in detail. Templates tool is very helpful in case you want to work rapidly. It gives you a pre-built template ready to use. For example, this template, we can modify the background, text and the photo. But as we are learning how to use Canva, we will not use the pre-built template. Now press Ctrl and Z to undo this step. Next is the Elements tool. In this tool, you can use some lines, shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, and even audio in your poster. On the top, there is this search box through which you can search your requirement. We will use this search box shortly. Next is the Uploads tool. Here, you can upload the images stored in your device. You can also upload video and audio. To upload a media, click on the Upload Files button. Your device file manager will open. You can also upload media from other sources like Google Drive, Google Photos, Facebook, Dropbox, etc. Next is the Text tab. Here you can add three types of text. First is the heading, second is the subheading, and third is the body. You can also search and use some custom text by using the search box here. Now let's make the poster. Step 1 is the background. We are going to use a free to use image. I have downloaded this image from Unsplash. Unsplash is a website which has thousands of free to use images. Simply search for a requirement, for example, stars, and you see some high quality images available to download and use. I am going to use this image as my background. It is a light blue to purple gradient photo. To download this image, click on this drop down icon. You have some options to download this image. First option is the small size in which the image is going to be downloaded in this dimension. Second is the original size of the image, which is in this dimension. I recommend you to download any image in its original size, as the pixels in the image retains. Let's go back to Canva. Click Upload and click on the image. The image is imported to the poster, but it is not properly covering the whole poster. To do this, right click on the image and select Set Image as a background option. Step 2 is the graphics used. You see, there are 3 graphic designs used in the poster. The first is the soccer or football ground. The second is the person who is kicking a football, and the third looks like a ring. Let's go to Canva, click on Elements, and then in the search box, let's search football or soccer field. The result consists of some pictures, some graphics, and some video or animations. Click on this graphic. You can change the orientation of the graphic by using this button. You can also change the size by dragging this rectangle. We can also edit the properties of the graphic like color, transparency, etc. Let's make a little more bigger. And then change the transparency. Let's make it a 30%. Similarly, you can search for the football player and the ring like this. Let's search for the football player first. Let's select this one. We can adjust this image and make it big or small very easily. Let's change the color of this image. Click on this color palette and choose the white color, just like that. The final step is the content. Let's add the text using the text tool. The headings and the subheadings can be used in our poster. Click on the heading and simply type in annual inter-school football cup. You can drag and drop this element like this. Select the text, change the size of the text, or align it in any way. Let's change the font of this text. Select the text, click on this font drop down option and search for this font. Let's change the size of the font also. Let's make it 100. We can add some effects in the text also. Click on this three dot icon and then click on effects. You see, there are many effects available to use. Click on this hollow effect and let's make the thickness 100%. Yes, it is looking very good. Similarly, we can add more text shown in this poster. Your task is to find how this effect is being used in this text. After creating and changing all the effects, we get to see the poster like this. In the next video, we will be discovering some more tools by creating a certificate. Thank you for watching this video.